Welcome back, ninjas. Today we are going to continue with our learning progression in lesson 3. This is going to be day 2 learning guides. You are going to need a teacher's edition, page 42, to follow along with us, as well as your child having student page 42 ready and in front of them. So in lesson 3, this is our second lesson in the progression. We are working on the short E sound today, spelled E-A. So today we're going to be working on the vowel team E-A. Let's take a look at the word head. Listen as I say the word. Ed. Head. Do you hear the vowel sound eh in the word? Let's say the word together. Ed. What is that vowel sound in the word? If you said that as a short E sound, you are correct. We're going to be looking at the short E in ed. Let's practice with another word. Breath. Breath. Do you hear the short E sound in breath? Breath? Say it with me one more time. Breath. Breath. Let's take a look at one more word. Heavy. Let's chunk it out. E. Heavy. Do all three of these words have the same sound, or do they have different vowel sounds? If you said that they all have the same vowel sounds, you were correct. These are words with the short E sound that are all spelled E-A. Head, breath, and heavy. Ninjas, now you are going to need student page 42, where we are going to do some vowel team practice with the vowel sound eh or the short E sound. We are going to write in some letters here to make some words. We are going to say their words, you are going to say these words aloud with your learning guide, making sure you make that short E sound, eh, every time you make a word. I'll give you an example before you start. The first word that came to mind when I made this chart is red. Red. Can you hear that short E sound? Red. Red. One more. How about dread? Dread. Dread. Do you hear that short E sound? All right, one more. Spread. 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 Do you hear that all three of these words have that short E sound, in them? Pause this video, finish the rest of this organizer with your learning guide, and then come back and see if we have the same letters. I'm sorry, if we have the same words made up of these same letters. Great job, friends. Let's see how your words compare to my words. So to start, I had the words red, dread, and spread. Now I'm adding the words head, bread, thread, sweat, wealth, ready, and breath. Do you hear how they all have that short E sound? Eh? Ed has that short E sound. Ed has a short E sound. Ed has a short E sound. And et has a short E sound. Practice saying this last row of words with me. Here we go. elf, wealth. Ready, d, ready. And breath, breath. See how those all have that a spelling that makes that short E sound, eh? Now we have a pair of words, and I want you to listen as I say the pair of words. I have sweat and sweet. Give a thumbs up if you think these have the same sound. Eh and E. Do these words have the same sound in them? If you said they were different, you were correct. Let's practice with another set of words. I have steady and I have f. Take a second. Let's think. Do those have the same sound in the middle? If you said yes, they have the same sound, then you are correct. Pause this video, talk about the next 4 sets of words with your learning guide, and then come on back and check your work with me. So friends, let's see how we did. Our next pair of words we have is dead and hid. I hear and I. Do those sound the same? No, those definitely do not sound the same to me. I have a short E sound and a short I sound. Those two make different sounds. The next set of words I have is threat, and fan, an. Did I hear the same sounds in those words? Definitely not. Those were different. So I put a D for different. The next pair of words I have is head, and jut, To me, those sound like different sounds. I have the short E sound and I have a short U sound in those words. Last set of words. Front, and thread. If you said those were different, you were right. Great job today, guys, spelling words with the EA, the short sound Practice saying some more, reading over your words with your learning guides, and come on back tomorrow for part 3 of lesson 3.